Welcome to EasyKnowHow. Instagram has finally given an option to have a chronological view of your feed. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get and use the Instagram chronological timeline option. Now, let's get started. To get the chronological timeline option, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open the Instagram app. Tap the Instagram logo in the top left corner of your home page. This will give you two feed options: favorites and following, to see a chronological feed of posts from accounts you follow. Select following. Then you can check out recent posts from people you follow. If you want to switch back to the normal Instagram feed, simply tap the home button in the bottom menu to go back to the main feed that takes Instagram's algorithm into account. That's all it takes to view your Instagram timeline in chronological order. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Easy Know How. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.